Class 9 students, today we will learn expansion 4b exercise. So to solve 4b exercise, that is these sums, we have to solve today. To solve these sums, we need few formula. That formula I am giving. A plus b whole square formula that you have learnt already. A minus b whole square you have learnt. But this class you have to learn this. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. And a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Then a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This one also you have learnt in the previous class. A plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. In the same formula, a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. A cube plus b cube, this is new formula for you, is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Then a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab plus 3ab square. So with this formula we can do these sums. See, sum number 1 I have done here. 3a minus 2b whole cube, that is a minus b whole cube. The formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here a means 3a and b means 2b. A means 3a, b means 2b. That I did here. Then just simplification. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27a cube. 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8b cube. Here 3 into 3, that is 9 into 3 into 2, it is coming 54 a square b. Here 2 into 2, that is 4 into 3 into 3, 36 ab. So this sum is done. Then see, a plus b plus c equal to 0. Then we have to prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. This is one property. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Actually with this property we have to solve sum. So I am proving this property. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then how it is coming? A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. See here, I have taken c in the right hand side. So this c become minus c that side. Now cubing both sides. So this side whole cube, this side also whole cube. This side you split up a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and that side minus c cube means minus c into minus c into minus c. So 3 times minus, then it will come minus c cube. Now next line you see, I have taken here 3ab common, so it become a plus b, and in place of a plus b I put here minus c. So minus c I put here. Now next line you see a cube, b cube and c cube I brought here, and minus into plus minus 3abc that I have taken in the right hand side. So the proof has come that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now see 8 part 1, we have to evaluate this 13 cube plus minus 8 cube plus minus 5 whole cube. Now just before we have learnt a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c equal to 0. So here this is the value of a, this is the value of b, this is the value of c. I check a plus b plus c. I put the value and see it is coming 0. Now since a plus b plus c equal to 0, we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Now this 3abc you put here in place of abc you put, then see this is coming here, and this equal to we can write 3abc. Now value of a is 13, put here. Value of b is minus 8, put here. Value of c is minus 5, you put here. Then you multiply all this and get answer. So we have get answer of what? This. And this only it is stored in the beginning. that find the value of this thing. So this thing value we got here. Clear? Next, let us do this sum. Given a plus 2b equal to 5, then we have to show that this is equal to 25. Now see, this can be written as 2b whole cube, and this one as it is I did not do anything, and here a plus a cube plus b cube formula, see here a cube plus 2b cube formula, that is a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, and 30ab as it is. Then see here a plus 2b equal to 5, so you put here value 5 cube. Here also a plus 2b 5. Then 5 cube means 125, and this is 5 3 are 30, 5 6 are 30 ab. So this 30 ab, this 30 ab cancels, so 125, that is equal to right hand side. So we have learned few sums of this exercise, and that's all.